Fixing checkout issues on Shopify might involve several troubleshooting steps. Clear cache and cookies. Clear your browser's cache and cookies or try using an incognito or private browsing window to rule out any browser-related issues. Check app integrations. Disable recently installed apps or third-party integrations that might conflict with the checkout process. Re-enable them one by one to identify the problematic app. Review checkout settings. In your Shopify admin, go to Settings Checkout to review and ensure your checkout settings are configured correctly. Check payment and shipping settings, customer accounts, and checkout language. Update theme and customizations. If using a customized theme, ensure it's updated to the latest version. Revert any recent theme changes or modifications that might affect the checkout process. Check payment providers. Confirm your payment gateways are properly configured and functioning. Re-enter payment credentials or check for any issues with the selected payment methods. Contact support. Reach out to Shopify's customer support for technical assistance. Provide specific details about the checkout issue, steps to replicate the problem, and any error messages encountered. Test checkout across devices. Test the checkout process on different devices and browsers to determine if the issue is device-specific. Monitor for updates. Keep an eye on Shopify's status page or announcements for any reported system-wide issues or updates affecting the checkout process.